a standard apartment without a view, but they moved us to an apartment with a little balcony and sea view, which is nice. So we've got 2 twin beds there. The beds are all right, actually. Lots of different pillows, lots of space there, plugs either side as well, and mirror, TV. We did find lots and lots of UK TV stations in the end, which is good. Aircon, really, really great. Really worked well at night, in particular when we were coming back and hot and sweaty. An espresso coffee machine, yeah, great. You just need to go down to reception to top that up, but really nice. We didn't use any of this, the storage here, obviously because we're only here for 3 nights. Just the balcony and the man cleaning in the morning. Really nice. And then moving over here, loads and loads and loads of storage space. And there, and there, the blankets, we've got given slippers, towels are changed daily. There's notices up just to say if you want them changed, put them on the floor. Yeah, we've got a microwave, a hob, fridge. I cannot get over this. It is so cool. I have never ever experienced a bathroom like this in my life. Oh, it's got a toothbrush, it's got